Climate change is our new reality. Our glaciers are melting and our groundwater is depleting. People think of water as an infinite resource, something that will never end. And very soon, 70% of the world will no longer have access to fresh water. We are running out of time, and now is the moment to act and avoid this approaching calamity. Hi, my name is Ali Khurshid, and I'm the founder of Abshar.
Water scarcity is a very serious issue, not just in Pakistan, but in the entire world. But the issue is that the entire world is actually doing something about it. And we're just sitting on it. We're sitting on that information, which is actually a time bomb.
As per World Health Organization, 2,270 people die every day because of water scarcity. As per UNDP and IMF, Pakistan will run out of water by 2025. That was the turning point. I decided to make saving water my only life purpose and founded Abshar. Our extensive research of 3 years reveals that 80% of water taps in Asia and the MENA regions are manufactured on European standards, incapable of handling local water composition. After years of research and innovation, we were able to invent an optimizer that is specially designed to handle the local water quality.
Consumer behavior is everything. बेसिकली ये कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर है जिसकी वजह से हमें प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं। देखिए, एक चीज़ होती है डिमांड, एक चीज़ होती है सप्लाई। अब अगर पानी की कमी आपको हो रही है तो बजाय कि आप कहें कि जी मैं डिमांड को बढ़ा देता हूँ, हम कह रहे हैं कि जी एक की जगह 2 डैम बना दो, एक की जगह 2 नहरें बना दो। पहले आप सिर्फ इस जगह से पानी निकाल रहे थे, आप उस जगह से भी निकालना शुरू कर दो। तो ये सारी सप्लाई मैनेजमेंट है।
So the best part about Abshar, which I found very interesting and very intriguing, is because it's just one piece of nozzle that you fix in your current taps, and that saves about 80+% of water.
Abshar optimizers reshapes the flow of the water into the mists, enabling savings without changing in behavior. We come up with a solution that retrofits all the existing faucets in the world within 30 seconds and instantly reduces the cost of every monthly utility bills, as it helps in saving up to 98% water, 60% of the electricity cost, and significantly reduces the carbon footprint. We believe that the people come before the technology. Products need to be used by the people to make an impact.
हमारे पास तो यहाँ न कोई बोरिंग है और न इसी तरह कोई लाइन का पानी यहाँ है। हम टैंकर ही इस्तेमाल करते थे। पानी 4-5 दिन के अंदर 6000 गैलन टैंकर ख़त्म हो जाता था। अबशार कंपनी वालों ने विज़िट किया, अपने नोज़ल वगैरह लगवाए। उसकी वजह से हमारे पहले अगर 4 दिन के अंदर एक टैंकर पानी इस्तेमाल होता था, उसी हिसाब से 8 या 9 दिन के अंदर एक टैंकर इस्तेमाल होता है।
Up till now, Abshar has saved 1.2 billion liters of water, which has impacted 286 million lives. Our product has won several national and international awards, and it is being embraced by many blue chips industries in Pakistan. It also helps in achieving up to 8 different sustainable development goals. Accelerate Prosperity provided us with a great knowledge through mentorship and peer learnings. They helped us develop the sense of belonging within a global community. Program's guidance played a vital role in our achievements. Now, our mission is to help all the community centers of the world. By the end of 2023, Abshar aims to save 20 billion liters of water, and by the end of 2025, Abshar aims to save 50 billion liters of water.
हमारी राय और मशवरा ये है कि जहाँ पानी ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है, अगर वो ये अबशार नोज़ल इस्तेमाल कर लें तो इनकी जो पानी की बचत होगी वो दूसरे जहाँ पानी की क़िल्लत है वहाँ पर भी उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, वहाँ भी दे सकते हैं, ताकि उन लोगों का भी घर और ज़िंदगी आसानी से गुजर सके।
आप अपने देखें, आप अपने लोगों को चांस दें, आप यूथ को, एजुकेटेड इंटेलेक्ट को, इनोवेटर्स को, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को आप स्पेस प्रोवाइड करें। आप स्पेस प्रोवाइड करेंगे, दे विल सरप्राइज यू विद देयर इनोवेशंस।
Abshar is a company that talks about a very, very pertinent issue, which is lack of clean water, because they're responsible. They're talking about issues that are real and they need to be addressed like yesterday. Not even today, not tomorrow, they should have been addressed yesterday.
We believe great changes begin with many small steps. Abshar is helping people save water. We welcome you on our mission to save water and make a significant impact in our communities. Every drop matters.